Welcome to another episode of I Embarrass Myself with playing a cat game. So, as I told, I made a bit more progress on Into the Future, a lot more. The only thing I missed was a giant alien pig and an alien bear. Oh, and a weird lemur creature from hell. All three of them I just destroyed with Shinjin. The bear couldn't even get a single hit on. And the queen pig could get some hits on, but couldn't even knock back Shinjin. Although the lemurs were the biggest deal, but I mean, that's because they summoned right at the start of the level. So other than that, you didn't miss much. There's only one more level I'm scared of, and that's Floating Continent. That has the alien boar. And you may notice some changes. First of all, I have Bahamut. Hitting my loadout. Then I have Roger and Millie upgraded to level 10, about goddamn time. And I have Surfer upgraded to level 10, and now he's a... well, this. Yeah. I'm guessing I just he got stuck on an island. I'm guessing he never made his way out of the island. So he did because he's here battling with the cats, so I guess he did make it. Don't know why he hasn't cleaned himself up yet, though. This down. I wasn't prepared for black gorillas. Shinjin, help me. You're supposed to be good against these types of enemies. Okay. Case closed. We're good. No need to panic, everyone. It's over with. Yep. Okay, that wasn't nearly as scary as I thought it was. Even my castaway survived. Unless that was another one. Not too sure. Oh no. No, hold up. You didn't give me info about this. You did not give me info about the head being back. I don't like this guy. There's also a black gorilla. There's also a black gorilla. Why is there also a black gorilla? Does there need to be a black gorilla? Oh no. I need something else besides him. Where the hell's Hades at? I need Hades, that's who I need. Uh-oh, this might be bad. This might be bad. Shinjin, help me. Okay. I think we might be good now. We managed to get rid of the black gorilla. No, they're not back. Nice. Okay, we have AIDS, we're fine. See, he can't even get a hit on us. And yes, he can, but he can't get a hit on Shinjin. That's no black gorilla. Stop it. Stop it with the black gorillas. I don't like the black gorillas. Stop it. Stop freezing my Hades. Okay, we're good. We are good. That was a little scary. I'm not gonna lie. That was kind of scary. And I was a little scared there by a giant floating head. Oh, and also I upgraded my treasure, my single treasure for alien. It went from like 50% to almost 100%. I'm just missing 2 superior treasures. So yeah. So maybe that's why I was able to defeat him easier. It's either that or in the Great Abyss he was buffed. I don't know. It took me a long ass time to kill him on the Great Abyss. You saw that. You saw how long it took me to beat him. I got a score of garbage. My score was just garbage. But I think we're over, right? I think the floating giant head was enough for this stage. I think it's enough for one stage. You're not gonna summon like 3 more, are you? No? Good. This may be one of them. Can I potentially beat the Great Abyss and get some rewards? What rewards are there? Unless it's a rare ticket, I really don't care. It's a rare ticket. It couldn't hurt giving it an attempt, right? It couldn't hurt. I mean, I don't want to waste a rich cat, but I have plenty of them. I'll run out. Whatever. We need Shinjin as soon as possible. His name Dory. I'm gonna get you out though, because he can rush in, do some damage, and get me some quick money. I did waste something, but that's because I don't want my base to die. So he's just gonna be there getting some money. No worries. And we get Shinjin as soon as I can. Okay, this might be bad. I didn't do very good work. Come on, Shinjin, there you go, there he is. There's my boy. Nice and rushing with meat shields and drama cats. And more of you. Seafood slash whatever is, I don't care. He can't even reach him, so there's no point of him. Guys, we just need to hit the base. Come on, now, dudes. Duderonis. Pepperonis. The pepperonis now. Come on, guys, let's do as much damage to space as possible. There we go. Okay, now it's time to wreak havoc or something, I don't know. They want that red ticket badly, to be honest, I really do. Get the hell away from Shinjin. I don't want you anywhere near my child. Boop. Okay, yeah, I think he was kind of buffed. Or nerfed, actually, yeah. Nerfed is the right word I'm looking for. He froze him. How dare you? How did you manage to even reach him? Shinjin, attack. The main purpose is to attack here, so come on. There we go. He's about to die, isn't he? Oh no, okay. He got back at the right time. Nice. Now, as long as I keep up his army, he's gonna get hit. That hurts. Yeah, I think I need better strat for that. I'm gonna get that rare ticket eventually. Because I want that rare ticket. Okay. And after this level, I'll give it another attempt. What could be the worst that happens? I waste another one. No big deal. I think the problem was I didn't summon Hades. Hades could have protected him. Okay. So, get away from the base. I don't like how close he is to the base. Because as soon as he hits it, something bait's popping out and I just know it. Shit. Yep. There goes everything. There goes energy, I guess. Well, shit. This sucks. Don't. I'm gonna die, ain't I? Why? Owie. Stop it. Quit it. Man. Boom. Got him. Now, do not let him near our base. He's slowly moving up, and I don't like it. He's moving up. Guys, don't make him move up. I don't like how he's moving up at all. Like, he's slowly moving up, and I don't like that. It's like he's creeping up on me. Stop creeping up on me, dude. Great, he's strengthened. Maybe I should have been wrecked here. Roger really helped me here. Kablam. Okay, I think we're good now. I had like 1,000 base health left. I don't know how I managed to save that. Could have done this much better if Cat Gang didn't, well, rush towards the base. Sometimes being fast is a not great thing. Just sometimes. I don't know if this episode will be the one where I fight the moon boss. Maybe next episode, I don't know. Still have a couple stages left. After this, I have one more stage, and after that stage, I have to float the continent, then the moon. So you're getting close. Okay, why are these guys not dying already? Like, come on now. This should not be difficult. Okay, are we finally gonna be able to hit the base now? After this, I'll give it another attempt, for this. Because I think the problem was I didn't summon Hades. If Hades would have gotten in front of my dude, I'm pretty sure we could have easily won that. We could have easily have done it and got the rare tickets. Okay. Let's give it another attempt. Where is it? There it is. Yes, I'm going to summon Hades. I do want to activate the boss as soon as humanly possible. But not until I have, like, both my Ubers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to summon you for crowd control. For these meat shield guys. And because, well, money. It would probably be cheaper to just not spawn them, but too late now. I swear to God, if I waste 2 rich cats for absolutely nothing, I'm gonna be pissed off. Okay, Shinjin. There we go, got him. Now the rest should be just history until we can manage to save enough money for a certain god. Hades, not cat god, of course, because I have yet to use them. I don't know how that works. Oh, they're getting close. They're getting close to my boy. Stop hurting him. I don't like when you do that. Stop it. Quit it. Guys, hey, he's getting hit. Okay, come on. We need to hit the base. Guys, we need to hit the base. Like, really badly. So I want that reward. So we gotta hit the base. All we gotta do is hit the base now. We might be able to get the reward if we do it, like I said, as fast as humanly possible. There he is. Oh, that's not good. I don't like that too much. Syria, just because I would need as much attacks as possible on him. Hades should be able to defend Shinjin from dying. We should be able to just wreck him. Freeze is fine. We don't really care about the freeze. We just care about Syria getting a single hit on. Come on, Syria. If you can do really anything, that'd be great. Oof. No worries, we're still good. We still have a chance. See? These are not back every single time now. This has to be good enough, right? Boink. There we go. Now, summon everything. We need to hit that base. Bomb it, you better not miss. We really need to attack here. It'll really help. You're gonna hit a stickman, aren't you? You buffoon. I swear to God, if Bomb it ruins this, I'm gonna delete him. But delete Bomb it from a distance. Because I want that red ticket. This has to be good enough, right? Bomb it, why? All Bomb it needed to do was hit the damn base. Oh my God. Okay, I'm getting that red ticket. I don't care. Bahamut messed that up for me. Okay. I can do this. I know I can. Okay. Mysteria does nothing. I don't need Mysteria. You for crowd control. I want this bit hit it so goddamn badly, it's unbelievable. And also, I think Bahamut might just overall help with this whole thing. I think he'll just overall just help. Come on, what are you doing? Oh my god, he died. Can you not die, maybe? Next time, can you not? Spawn a couple of meat shields, not too many because, you know, I want to save enough money for Hades. Then I just want to bomb the base. Do as much damage to the base as fast as possible. So activate the boss as soon as possible. Go. Now, so rush through it. Boom. You missed. That's definitely great. That's great. I love how you missed your attack. I love how you missed that attack as well. As many of these guys as possible. Don't worry, I'll get Bahamut when I have enough. I just need to make sure Bahamut hits the base. Or just hits the boss in general, really. But I'm pretty sure he has enough range to outrange him, really. Yeah. Okay. Bahamut. There you go. Kablam. Now, you destroy him. Destroy the face. Once you start to get his health down a little bit, he gets knocked back every single hit. No, we cannot have anything in his range. Nothing in Bahamut's area. We need to make sure he hits the damn boss. I don't know. I don't think he hit the boss. Bahamut, why? Oh shit. Uh-oh. That may not be good. That's not good. I know that isn't good. Boing. Oh no, Bahamut. Oh, he'll get knocked back. No worries. Boom. Okay, now get everything out of Bahamut's way. We need him to hit the base, or just to kill the base in general, really. To rush towards the finish. Come on, it has to be fast enough. I did worse. How did I do worse? What did I do to make it worse? I don't get it. Oh, the energy. End the episode. End the goddamn episode.